Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. I just want this to be a very quick one. From my research that I just conducted, I observed that you can actually create income. Yes, you can create more than $200 to $300 from typing or writing. Oh yes, I have the names of two websites that you can use to achieve this. Please, when you get this video, send it across to all nook and crannies of the country, Nigeria, and to any other African country, or to all you, my viewers from wherever you're coming from. We need people to know that these things are possible. We need them to know that they can actually create income for themselves, okay? Passively or actively. Many a times we hear that the index or the statistics is giving us that we have very high rate of unemployment. But for those people that are yet waiting for formal jobs, you can use this and be creating income for yourself, creating income for your family. And by so doing, we can end this recurring generational poverty in this country and in the African continent in entirety. All right. Let me show you the names of the two websites that I have researched and they really work. All right. The first one is transcribeme.com. Transcribeme.com. Transcribe. You have your pen and paper, or you can use your phone to jot this down very quickly. transcribeme.com. Transcribeme.com. You write them together. Transcribeme.com. That's the number one. Go to transcribeme.com, fill in the information, sign up, give your details. Remember to always have email. Please always have email, active emails, because you must be verified. They want to know that you're not a robot. They will have to know that you're a real human being that is interacting with them. Okay. Now, the second website is Go Transcript. Go, Go. Now, transcript. GoTranscript. Go Transcript. Go Transcript. So you go to Google, click on Go Transcript, just follow the information, sign up, and put in all your information, your data. They are going to conduct some tests for them to know your ability on writing, your ability, just follow the prompts. Follow the prompts, and you will be granted the opportunity to start making income. If you're generating more than $200 to $300 a day, or even in 2 days, or in 3 days, you know what that means. In the next few years, we will not be saying that there is poverty in Nigeria or there is poverty in Africa. No, there wouldn't be any such thing. Everybody will get themselves self-sustained. Okay, so remember I said it's going to be a very quick one. I hope you took note of the two websites that I mentioned here. There are other websites, but anyone I conduct a research and make sure that everything is working perfectly well, I will drop the information here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Remember to also hit the notification bell so that whenever I publish a new video, you'll be among the first to see it. Keep coming to my channel to learn for free. There is no consultation fee for anybody. I only compress these informations in such a way that it will be easier for all my audience, more especially people in the village, people in the rural areas, people who cannot hear the accents of some other nations, so that they can have the opportunity to understand what is happening, where the world is going to, and help me in this race to eradicate poverty in Nigeria, eradicate poverty in Africa, eradicate poverty in any part of the world. I remain your presenter, Jenny Chichi. I am signing off for today. Okay, see you guys some other time. Bye.